Hey guys, it's Jessie Lipke at Power Girl Fitness and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be making my coconut fried chicken with a crunchy and vibrant Thai mango slaw. This one is absolutely to die for, so let's get into it. These are all of the ingredients that you're gonna need for today's recipe. So over here's everything for our salad. So we're gonna be using 2 mangoes, 3 red bell peppers, half of a cabbage, 3 stalks of green onions, and then I have a 1/4 cup of peanuts, and then 1 cup each of fresh mint, basil, and bean sprouts. To prepare our salad dressing, you're going to need about 1 to 2 tablespoons of lime juice. I'm gonna be using 1 Thai chili pepper. You can use half if you're not that great with spice, or you just don't even need to add this. And then 4 cloves of garlic minced, 1 tablespoon each of hot honey. You can also, of course, use regular raw honey, and then 1 tablespoon of tamari, a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. And then over here is everything we're gonna need to prepare our coconut fried chicken. So of course we have our chicken breasts, we have 2 large eggs, coconut flour, we're gonna be using sweet paprika, garlic powder, as well as onion powder. And then of course our coconut flakes, we'll be using about 1 cup of that. So go ahead and grab all of those ingredients and let's go. Start by washing all of your vegetables. It's time to whip together our salad by chucking everything into a bowl, except for our peanuts. We're gonna be adding this on last just to make sure that they're nice and crunchy. Starting with our cabbage, our peppers, mango, bean sprouts, basil, mint, and our spring onions. Let's give that a nice mix. It smells incredible. And that's with no sauce. We're gonna go ahead and prepare our dressing now. Starting with a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of tamari, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, garlic, 1 tablespoon of hot honey, and our red chili pepper. Mix that together. Let's pour over that dressing and mix. So now that I've finished mixing my salad, we're gonna pop this into the fridge, allowing all of those flavors to come together. All right, we'll hammer down our chicken here. Beautiful. Out goes the second. 2 tablespoons of coconut flour, adding a sprinkle of our garlic and onion powder, sprinkle of sweet paprika. Go ahead and mix that. 1 cup of our coconut flakes. Just gonna pop that into my egg wash, flipping that around, making sure it's fully coated. I'm gonna do 1 more pop into our egg wash. Just gonna place that on a plate. There we go. Placing this down onto our seasoning. Back into the egg wash it goes. Flipping that over. There we go. Bring your pan to medium-high heat. And we're gonna add 1 to 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Once your pan is nice and hot, we're gonna go ahead and add in our chicken. And then we're going to let this cook for about 3 to 4 minutes per side. So it's been about 4 minutes. Our chicken is sizzling. Let's take a look at the bottom. Ooh, nice and brown. We're gonna go ahead and flip this now. Look at that beautiful toasted coconut. That looks incredible. Gorgeous. So it's been 4 minutes. We can now turn off the heat. And we're going to remove our chicken. Just gonna leave our chicken on a cooling rack for 5 minutes. We've just removed our salad from the fridge and all of the flavors have come together. It smells absolutely incredible, but we're gonna go ahead and add our peanuts on top now. There we go. We're ready to enjoy our crispy coconut fried chicken as well as that gorgeous Thai salad. That's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. Make sure to give this recipe a try and we'll see you next time.